सांकवाळे बायोडायव्हर्सिटी कमिटी आणि चिखली बायोडायव्हर्सिटी कमिटीन सोमारा एक आगळो वेगळो उपक्रम राबयलो. हे दर्यादेगेवेली कालवां काडपा खातीर लोकांनी व्हेल्लीं करपां म्हटल्यार हाडीं परत हाडून दर्यादेगेर शिंपडायलीं. संवसारीक जैवविविधताय दीस तेंच्यांनी अशे तरेन मनयलो. सांकवाळ आनी चिखली दर्यादेगो बायोडायव्हर्सिटी हेरिटेज हॉटस्पॉट म्हूण घोशीत करचो ही मागणी सांकवाळ आनी चिखलेकारांनी परत एकदां लावन धरल्या. दर्यादेगेवेली जीण पुनर्जीवीत करपाचे यज्ञांचो वांटो म्हण सोमारा सांकवाळे बायोडायव्हर्सिटी कमिटी आणि चिखली बायोडायव्हर्सिटी कमिटीन विज्ञानीक बबन इंगोळे आणि फादर बोमस परेराचे मजतीन जागृताय घडोवन हाडली. पळयात तेंच्यांनी केल्लें आवाहन.
हालींच आमी वर्ल्ड बायोडायव्हर्सिटी डे सेलिब्रेट केलो ऑन May 22 आनीक ह्या निमतान आमी चिंतलें की हे पळय जें नुकसाण ह्या उदकान पळय लोकांनी केलां हाडी काडून तेजे मातशें तरी आमी तें प्रिजर्व करून तेजेर बंदी हाडपाक आनी ते हाडे पळय लोकांनी काडून व्हेल्ले ते आमी हाडून हांगा रिटर्न आयज घातल्या एज पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बायोडायव्हर्सिटी डे सेलिब्रेशन. आमकां भरपूर दुखता सांगपाक की आमचेच लोकल लोक हे हाडी वताय ती कालवां काडपाच्या जाग्यार हाडी वताय आनी हें नुकसाण करून दवरताय. सो आमी एक अवेरनस जनरेट करूंक सोदताय की हे हाडी व्हरप न्हू, तुमी कालवां काडपाच्या थंयच काडा आनीक आमकां जाय की हे आमची पळय बे आहा चिकाली आनी सांकवाल बे हाची गिरेस्तकाय वाडलेली.
Because we had heard about over extraction of shells and clams and even small baby shells and all. So we decided to come here, try to educate people and if possible try to put back the empty shells in the shore. While having a meeting here, informal meeting here, there were proposals to declare this site as a heritage site, heritage hotspot, biodiversity heritage hotspot site. So we have already resolved in past through our biodiversity management committee and even BHS has approved it to declare this site as a biodiversity heritage hotspot.
हे सृश्टीन जें कितें आहा तें आमकांच लागून दिल्लें आसा, पूण सगळें जरी तर आमी एक बराबर हरपून काडलें जाल्यार मागीर कितें उरता. आतां हो आयचो आमचो प्रयत्न करीत भाशेन हितूंतल्यान घडये आयज व्हडलेशें जावचें ना, पूण एक संदेश आयज आमी दिवपाक सोदता करीत भाशेन की आमी हावया जें कितें आमकां दिल्लें आसा ताचो आनंद घेवया पूण ही सृश्टी सांबाळुया.
Now the reason we are here today for the oyster, and these are the oysters. This is a home for these oysters. Oysters, as we all know, these are the all mother shells. This will be roughly 8 to 10 year old. This big what we are seeing, 8 to 10 year old. They can grow if the conducive environment is there. They can survive for almost 10 years. So this will be 8 to 10 years old, and what is required for them is the most important is the dead shell or live shell, because they release the eggs will be in the water, and this bay is unique again, it retains the larvae here, it doesn't allow it to go out. Once they go out, they will go anywhere, like Shinane, we get Shinane Goi Patta. So they will be retain the larvae here, they hatch because they don't have shell, they are swimming. So they will be swimming in the bay only, and once they grow appropriate size, they start developing hard shell. But before developing hard shell, they are swimming and they have to come back to the home. How do they come back to the home? These mothers which are living in this one, they will be continuously opening the shells and closing the shell like this for their filter feeding. They are filter feeding. So take the oxygen and food. So when they take the water, they release the water. When they release the water, along with the water, they pass on the signals, which is called as chemical signaling. It is called pheromones. So these pheromones are like scent. So they release in the water, and babies get that sensation. They are swimming, and once they get it, that chemical signaling, they say, my house is there. So let's go there. When they come there, house parents are ready because there is already microfilm developed. On these shells, this what we are saying, these are the algae and bacteria. These are the microfilm very much required for babies to feed first food.
गोवा 365 खातीर चिखलेच्यान हिरू महाले.